Hello, Cease. My name is Steven, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the clarinet. So first and foremost, you got to open the case. So let's open the case, and I'm going to explain to you what's inside. Awesome. All right. Well, this piece right here is called the bell. This is the mouthpiece, but also you have to be very careful with the mouthpiece because it is the most fragile part of the clarinet.
Okay.
This is called the barrel joint. It attaches to the mouthpiece. This is the lower joint. This attaches to the bell. And this is the upper joint, and it attaches to the lower joint. And then you have some reed, you have a reed and some cork grease and a swab in there. Yeah. Can you go ahead and put and place the clarinet on top of this table for me? Awesome. All right. Can you go ahead and grab the upper joint, which is the lower joint, which is this, and attach it to the bell. So you're gonna grab the bell and you're gonna do like a twisting motion. It attaches to the cork side, yeah. Awesome. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the upper joint. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the upper joint. And you're just gonna place it in, twist it around. There we go. Yeah. And
Same thing?
yeah, same thing. And to line it up, you're gonna want to try to align the twisted backwards a little bit. You're gonna want to try to line the keys like in a straight line. So look at where the holes are at, and you want to try to line them up as straight as you can.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Now we're gonna grab the barrel joint and attach that to the top. Awesome. Alright, so last but not least, we have the ligature and the mouthpiece. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to take the mouthpiece and you're going to attach it to the barrel joint. And you want to have the part where the reed should go, the little hole, you want to have it facing the opposite of the keys, so facing downwards. Yes, precisely. Just make sure all your keys are lined up, everything feels right. And right next to if you look underneath the swab, there should be a reed there. I want you to go ahead and grab that reed. Okay, so take it out of the reed case, and you're going to place it in your mouth. And the reason we do that is because you want to get it nice and wet before you start playing, because the wetter it is, like, it's going to vibrate more. So yeah, just like that. And then while that's happening, go to the mouthpiece, and I want you to take the ligature and loosen it up just a little bit. Alright, yeah, that's fine. So now you should be able to slide up and down pretty easily, okay? So you're going to go ahead and take the reed, and you're going to, you see that fat part at the bottom, the glossy part? Flip it around. Yeah, okay, so you see this part right here, this fat part?
Yes.
That's going to go at the bottom. So you're going to lift the ligature up just a little bit, and you're going to want to try to align the top of the reed with the top of the mouthpiece. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and let me know.
Okay. So do I have to make it super loose so I can put it in?
Basically, what you'd want to do is you'd want to pick it up just a little bit and place it like that.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I think I got this.
Yeah. and kind of tricky.
There we go. I think I might need a little bit more.
I'm gonna take your time.
Okay. That's should be good. Do I tighten it back?
Yeah. So basically, to where like a quarter turn past snug is where it should probably be.
Okay.
All right. Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay. So now we're gonna get your right hand and place the thumb underneath the thumb rest. And I mean,
Okay.
you already did it yourself. You see how your fingers just kind of naturally align with the holes.
Yes. Yes,
So you're
I see
gonna,
that.
you can keep that there. And then same thing with your left hand. You're gonna put your left hand on top of the thumb hole. So go ahead and locate that. Put your left hand on top of there, and then add your fingers to the first three holes.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you're ready to start playing the clarinet. All right. So first and foremost, place the clarinet, like go into playing position, how you would. Good, good, good. Whenever you're playing clarinet, you always want to have like a very relaxed posture in your elbows, just so that way you don't cramp up. You're not super tight. You're just very relaxed, and you're sitting up straight. So in order to make your first sound, we had to place the clarinet on our lips. So let's go ahead and do that. So as we're doing this, I want you to imagine you're sucking out of like a Whataburger shake. You know how like they're super thick? It takes forever to get it. So I want you to imagine you're doing that. So kind of like create that like face, like that embouchure, like you're sucking something. Yeah, exactly. And when you're playing the clarinet, you want to think of an E sound. So go ahead and just say E into the clarinet, like E. Yes, yes, yes. So now let's try playing a note. So I want you to place on your left hand, have the thumb rest down in all three holes, and then on your right hand, I only want you to press the first key. Yes, right there. So that's called a B flat.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and try playing that. So. Nice, very nice, very nice. So now I want to try something a little bit different.
Okay.
I want you to play that exact same note, but this time I want you to kick your legs up.
Okay.
So, like, keep your legs up, and then try playing the same note. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna activate some of your core muscles to really get like a very nice and supported sound. So, let's go ahead and try that. Both legs. Yeah, we work out here in Clarinet Land. Nice. Really good job, really good job. I can definitely hear the difference between, before you did that and after you did that. One thing I will say was when you first played, you were hitting a partial, so what probably happened was you were probably squeezing, and what I mean by squeezing is like you probably had your embouchure too tight to where your corners were kind of squeezing in over the mouthpiece. So you just kind of want to be aware of that.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and try playing B flat again. Okay, so what's happening there is you have too much mouth into the mouthpiece, so you kind of want to like pull out just like a little bit. Nice. So now I'm gonna teach you just another note. We're gonna go up at the scale. So now you're gonna press.
I'm gonna leave this.
Yeah, you're just gonna open
Okay.
that. So this note would be a C. Now go back down to B flat. There we go. Just kind of alternate between it. Yeah. See? So it's definitely very easy to change between notes. Just a matter of knowing the finger positions and stuff. So with that being said, let me see if I can try teaching you a song. Okay. So to add on to that, I want you to lift up your ring finger on your left hand.
My left hand.
Yeah, so we had C, and then we had B flat, and then C. So now we're gonna lift up the next finger, and that's gonna be D.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and try playing C. I mean B flat, C, D. Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome job. Awesome job. Okay. So now that we have 3 notes learned, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you a simple song.
Okay.
Do you know Hot Cross Buns?
Yes.
Okay, so it's gonna start off on D,
Mm-hmm.
which would be me in the key of B flat.
Okay.
So if D is me and then C is Ray, well, B flat would be Do. So I'm gonna sing in solfege just because I know you understand that.
Yes.
So the melody's gonna go mi, Ray, Do, mi, Ray, Do. Let's try that
Okay.
so far. Awesome job, awesome job. So now I'm gonna teach you how to tongue. And so to tongue, you kind of want to think of a th sound, like a th, like
So.
th. You see how your tongue kind of like
So.
goes across that. So on a B flat, just go ahead and let's play a B flat and let's just try going th, trying to articulate.
Okay.
Yeah, good job, good job. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna learn the rest of the song. So the rest of the tune goes B flat, or Do, 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 Re, 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 Mi, Re, Do. So,
Okay.
Awesome. So now let's put the whole thing together and let's play Hot Cross Buns.
Okay.
Awesome job. Well, Jesus, I want to thank you so much for being my student.
Thank you.